The Nike GT Hustle 3 Black, Volt, White and Bright Crimson delivers next-level performance with a design built for explosive basketball movement. Part of Nike's Greater Than series, this model uses advanced research to help players transition smoothly from quick acceleration to sharp direction changes. Its precisely woven 3D black upper creates an airy, flexible feel, paired with vibrant Volt and bright crimson swoosh accents that add bold energy on and off the court. A soft, milky outsole with a fine grid traction pattern enhances grip and responsiveness, while the layered cushioning foam provides stability and resilient comfort during intense play. The white midsole with translucent Volt hits adds a sleek visual edge. Hidden design details, like the snow globe-style tongue patch featuring a gray alien, bring a playful narrative twist. Blending lightweight construction, striking colors, and competition-ready engineering, the Nike GT Hustle 3 stands out as a top choice for athletes and sneaker fans looking for performance, style, and story in every step.